when it was announced to Caesar that they were trying to travel through our province, he hastens to set out from the city, and by means of as large forced marches as possible, or by means of as great journeys as possible, he hastens into ulterior Gaul, and he arrives at Geneva. He orders or levies from the whole province as large a number as possible of soldiers. There was, altogether, in ulterior Gaul, 1 legion. He orders the bridge, which was to Geneva, to be cut down, or to be cut back. When the Helvetii are informed about his arrival, they send legates to him, the most noble ones of the tribe, or they send the most noble legates of the tribe to him, of which embassy Nemeus and Verocloetius were holding the chief spot. In order to, this is a relative clause of purpose. It's like who would, it's a relative clause plus a subjunctive, so it's basically a purpose clause. They send legates who would say, or to say, that they had in mind, without any mischief, right, to travel through our province without any wrongdoing would be good. That they had in mind to travel through our province without any wrongdoing, on account of the fact that they had no other route, and they were asking that it be allowed for them to do this with his permission. Caesar, because he remembered that Lucius Cassius the consul had been killed and his army had been defeated or repulsed by the Helvetii and sent under the yoke, was thinking that this should not be conceded or allowed or granted would be fine. And he was thinking that men of hostile mind, with the opportunity given of traveling through the province, would not restrain or refrain from injury and wrongdoing again. Would not restrain from those things. Nevertheless, in order that a space of time could pass while he gathered the soldiers, while the soldiers whom he had ordered gathered, he responded to the legates that he would take a day to deliberate. If they wanted anything, they should return on the Ides of April.